Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw front view, top view and left hand side view of this object in first angle. Now if you see from the front, you will see a semicircle. So first we will draw a semicircle. In top view it will appear as a rectangle, so we'll draw a rectangle. And in side view you will see U shape. See this is how much? 15. 50 minus 20 is 30, 15, 15 on both the sides. So you go down by 8 and take 15. So you can draw side view. Now when you see from the front, you can't see this slot. So that we need to draw as dotted. So you go down by 8 and you draw a dotted line. You project this. See, this is the part which you can see from top view. So project from these 2 points. You can draw 45 degree to project that slot from side view. So in top view you will get rectangle. See this rectangle. So this is how it will appear in top view. This part, it's here. You can project from side view. See this part we need to project from side view. So you'll get the required top view. We can do labeling and dimensioning. This is very important from technical drawing point of view, and it's a very good concept in orthography. Thank you.